bit about the contact point and where we want to be on the string to make the best sound. And this is something that I discuss with beginners because it's essential to get this right from the beginning. So if we have a look at the contact point, so we have the bridge here and we have the fingerboard down here. Now, ideally we want to be in the middle. This is going to be the best sound. So we don't want to stray too near to the bridge because we'll get this kind of a sound. Yeah. And we don't want to be too near the fingerboard because we'll get this sort of sound. A sort of very, very wispy and ethereal sound. So it's really important that we do keep it in the middle, which is here. Now that's not to say that we don't use the other contact points sometimes. We do in pieces use near the bridge, we go down near the fingerboard, but the majority of the time we want to be in the middle.